Hello dear students, this is PMT 2016 MCQs. So here we have a 12-volt battery that is attached with the different combination of resistors that has resistance 20, 40 and 60 ohm. Okay, the internal resistance is negligible small, so that the small r is equal to 0. When we say that internal resistance is negligible small, so it means internal resistance is 0. The diode has the ideal characteristics. Okay, so that the diode is basically simple p-n junction. It is a electronic device that is a combination of p type and n type materials. Okay, so we have two diodes that are parallel to one another, and so 20, 40 ohm resistors are parallel with the 60 ohm. Okay, so we have to find the current through the battery approximately. Okay, so in order to find the current, we use simple Ohm's law. V is equal to IR and I is equal to V over R. So we know the potential, but we don't know the resistance. Voltage is 12 volt, but the total resistance is unknown. Okay, now we see that in this combination, in this scenario, you know that a positive terminal is connected with this. Suppose this is diode D1 and this is diode D2. So for the diode D1 is forward bias. As you can see that the diode D1 is forward bias. So how you know that is forward bias? Because if diode is forward bias, if positive terminal of the battery is connected with the p type material and negative terminal of the battery is connected with the n type, so this is forward bias. How to justify which is p type? So in this case, always remember that if diode is like this, so if diode is like this, so this right side is basically p type material and left side is basically the n type material. So if right side is positive, if p type is connected, you can see that this is p type and this is n type. So this side, right side is p type and the n side, p type is connected with the positive terminal and n side is connected with the negative terminal. Similarly, so this diode is forward bias. So what does it means the forward bias? So the current flows through this P1 D1 diode. So that the current flows through this diode D1 and it goes through 40 and then 20 ohm resistance, it go back to the battery. But the diode D2 is reverse bias. You can see that the n type material is connected with the positive terminal, n type is connected with the positive terminal of the battery, and p type is connected with the negative terminal of the battery. You can see that right side of this diode is n type. We can know that this is n type. So n type is connected with the positive terminal and p type is connected with the negative terminal. You can see that. So if n type is connected with the positive terminal and p type is connected with the negative terminal, so this is the reverse bias. Under reverse bias, the diode acts as a switch at the on off condition, sorry, switch off condition. So it means that current does not flow through this diode D2. So D2 does not conduct. Okay, so it means the current only passes through the diode D1. So when the current only passes through diode D1, so that the current so the total resistance is 40 plus 20, that is equal to 60 ohm. So you know that the resistance is 20 ohm and the 40 ohm, because 20 ohm and the 40 ohm are in series, so we have 60 ohm resistance. Okay, now the resistance 60 ohm, so we can find the current through the battery, that is equal to potential is 12 volt and the total resistance of the circuit where the current is flowing is 60 ohm. So 12 over 60, 12 over 60 we get the 12 over 60 we get answer 0.20 ampere. So C option is the correct option. C is option is the correct option. The current through the system is through the battery is 0.20. Okay, thank you.